Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome to Forex Success. Okay guys, you're welcome, and today I'm back with a very nice strategy guys for Crash 1000 index. So I want you to pay full attention to this strategy that you're going to be learning now, because it's very powerful guys. So before we get started guys, if you are new here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So we are trading on Deriv, as you all know. Click on the link at the description below to create an account so you can start trading and making money with our amazing strategies. Okay, this is Crash 1000 index, and this strategy that I'm showing you right now, it's very powerful. I backtested it a lot of times, and guys, it's working. So I decided to share it with you so you can start using it as well. Look at the from this strategy right now guys, this is a very nice time for me to place a buy. At the time of setting this video, this is a very good time to place a buy, then take off just 6 candles and close the trade. So it's a very good scalping strategy for Crash 1000. So if you're not the type that want to keep your trade for long, you just want to get in, take the money off and out of the market, that this strategy is for you. It is very simple, anyone can use it. So firstly, I will teach you how you can set your indicators with this strategy. So right now I'm going to clear the chart because I'm just using 2 indicators for this strategy. So this is Crash 1000 index. Firstly, you need to be on the 1 minute time frame, as you can see on my screen. I'm using the desktop version. I'm also going to give you this strategy on the mobile version, so for those of you that won't be using desktop, but for now this is the desktop version. So first indicator I would need for this strategy, I'll click on indicator tab and get the ATR, the average true range, which is on my screen right now. You can see then the average true range. I'm gonna click on the settings. It's just the default setting, but I'll just need to increase the style. Then I'll take the color blue guys. You can see I'll take the color blue, and then for the input you can see it's on 14, so I'll leave it on 14 because that's what we'll be needing for this strategy. Then I'll just allow price line to show. Yeah, so you click on price line, allow price line, then you click OK. So we are done with this indicator. Then we need to get a moving average, which will actually help us to understand what is happening in the market, what direction the market is trying to move to. So we get a moving average, you go click on it for the parameters, we put it on period 40. This is the same thing as period, the length. Period 40, the source will be closed, that is applied to close for desktop. So the style, let's also give this a blue color. Yes, so you click OK. So this is our moving average guys. So we are using a moving average and an ATR for this strategy. So now look at it guys, look at it. You should place a buy with this strategy, confirming just 2 conditions. One, you should confirm that and remember guys, 1 minute time frame please for this strategy. Confirm that your your ATR touches the 0.5 level. This is the 0.5 level. You can simply take a horizontal line and place it at the 0.5 level for easy identification. Good. So at the 0.5 level right here, that's where so this red line is what will indicate as the 0.5 level. Let me set it up well guys. Okay, we'll call this the 0.5 level, the red line. So why should you place a buy with this strategy? Look at it right here. So what I'm supposed to do at this point guys, as the ATR, this blue line, touches this red line, which is our 0.5 level, and then the moving average crosses below this chart, we place a buy. we're not going to be greedy using this strategy. We'll place a buy. You can get in that way both conditions are met. So you place a buy as soon as the blue moving average crosses below the chart and the blue 80 arrow is below the, just touches the red line at the bottom, which is the 0.5 level. You go for a buy. You just take 6 candles, you are off the market. So you can increase your lot size, take 6 candles, and you are out of the market right there. You can see, guys, it's a very nice strategy. As soon as this and these two conditions are met, guys, the next thing is for you to place a buy. So this is one point where it was completed. You can see both conditions were confirmed there, so you can easily place a buy right there. You get that, guys? So another point again right here, you can see at this level, you can see it right here, guys, the first and the second, place a buy, you catch your 6 candles, you just get out of the market. This is what I was talking about, guys. As it touches right here, you can see, and this crosses, so you can take your 6 candles and you are off the market. You won't even, if you're not greedy, you won't meet this spike won't meet you, sorry, because you'll be out of the market in just 6. Simply how you use this strategy, guys. Yeah, so this is simply how you use this strategy. You just follow the conditions. Those are just the simple rules. As you can see, it's a very simple strategy. Just allow this moving average to cross below the chart and allow the 80 arrow line, the blue line, to touch the 0.5 level, then you go for a buy. You can see, guys, you catch your 6 candles and you are out of the market. So I gave you the calculation. At least if you're using something like 1 lot size, you should be able to get maybe $6 for the 6 candles. So if you're using 1 lot size, you can get about $6 for that 6 candles that you acquire. So if you can do that about 5 times, you get $30. Do that about 10 times, you get $60. You can see, so you're actually risking less because you can use small amount of funds, yeah, as low as $10 to $20 to use the strategy. For it, you can use it. You just need to follow the rules to place a buy. Remember, we are buying crash 1000 with this strategy. Crash 1000 with this strategy. Look at it again. The condition, first and second condition are met. You place a buy, you get 6 candles, you close, you are out. As easy as that, guys. As easy as that. Look at it again here. You get 6 candles. I mean, this is a lot of candles. Let's count. This is a lot of candles. So guys, if you are taking just 6, even if you entered late from here, you still have your 1 2 3 4 5 6 candles to take. You get that, guys? So this is a very nice strategy for you to use. Even at this point, you still have to take your 6 candles and go out of the market. Look at it again right here. You still be able to take it continuously. It's a very powerful strategy, guys, and make sure you just take the 6 candles and get out of the market as easy as that. So this strategy is very nice for scalpers. You guys that just you don't really have the whole day to spend on your chart. You just come in, take the money and go off it. That's just it. You go and continue doing whatever you want to do for the day. So as easy as that, guys, you can use this strategy to make good money for yourself. Look at it. Condition met right here. You place a buy. So that's just it. Remember, just 2 indicators, the 80 arrow, which is the average true range, and the 40 moving average, just for the strategy to make money. So once again, guys, if you don't have an account on Deriv or you don't know what we are trading, this crash 1000 will have other synthetic indices. The link to create an account is at the description below. It's on Deriv. The link is at the description below to create an account, so you can start trading volatilities index, crash and boom, step index. They are 24/7. That is, the market doesn't close. You can trade them 24 hours 7 days. That is every time, like that, guys. This is Forex Success. Click on the link at the description below to join our Telegram group as well. We got a Telegram group right there. so you can join. You get free signals sometimes. Yeah, so subscribe to this channel, guys, and give this video a thumbs up. So I'm gonna be bringing the mobile version of this strategy. I believe that's what majority are using to trade their phones, not the system. So I actually brought this strategy with the system for some persons who actually trade with their desktop. So this will actually help for them. And also you can also use this before I bring the strategy with the mobile device. Of course, you can also use it. You already know the indicators I use, so you just follow the same rules. It's the same procedures, just that the phone is just different platform. Exactly, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I wish you success using this strategy. I wish you success, guys. Look at it again at this very last point. You can see, so on the mobile device, that's where I'll be actually placing trades with this strategy, so that you all can see me trading live with the strategy. So thank you guys for watching Forex Success. We got you, we're here for you.